Welcome to video editing lesson 1-3 for Barhead Composite High School, Com Tech program. We are going to make a project folder to begin with, where we're going to put our video project, our movie. I want you to go to your movies folder, hold down the control key, click in the white space, and type video 1-3. Inside that, we're going to make another folder. Call it Media, Video 1-3. And this is where we're going to put the footage from our card. So, why don't we put the card in the back? Do that right now. And you'll notice it comes up right here. Now, we want to keep this window off to the side here, and we double click on it, and of course it opens on top. We'll move this guy over. Click on DCIM. There's 100 Canon and 101 Canon. I want all of these clips. So I'm going to go, if I click here just to activate this area, click once, I go Command A to select all of them, and drag that into my media folder and let go. Then I'm going to click on 101 Canon, activate this area, and go Command A, and drag it over and let go. You'll notice that I have two copying areas right here. And through the magic of video editing, we're done. So let me close this, and I'm actually going to leave this open at the moment. So let's start up Adobe Premiere Pro. And here we go. Here on this first screen, we have some different options. Usually on the left here are the projects that you've been working on. And new project. Well, we're starting a new project, so I want you to click on that. And we're going to call this one Video 1-3. Bobby John gets a call. Now, at the moment, it's going to save it here into this folder. That's totally not where we want it. Click on Browse, Movies, Video 1-3, and we want it right here. As soon as we say choose, it's going to make a bunch of new folders in here for all of the other things. And we'll say OK. Alright, so the first off, over here, you see right here, we've got the video project, and it's already made a preview file. It's going to make some other folders in here, the autosave folder, and a bunch of things like that. And our first screen. So, what I'd like you to do to begin with is, just so that we're able to see everything that is the same, is I want you to go to Workspace and make sure that editing is selected. And I would also like you to go, if you don't see the screen the way that it is here, what you can do is you can say reset current workspace, and then it will put all of the windows back so that it looks like this. So if you happen to be missing some toolbars or anything like that, you can do that anytime. And if you have the windows set up differently in a way that you want, you can actually save your own. You can save it as a workspace right here. Any windows which are not up and you'd like them, such as the history or the media browser or anything like that, are all in here. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to click here in the project video 1-3 in your project folder, in the project window, and we're going to hold down the control key and click here and pick import. Now, you can select all of these, or if you want, you can actually just click import. It'll import everything that's in the folder, and it'll just show up here as a folder. I kind of like that. That way all my videos are in one little spot in my project window. Just wait as it imports all of those files. And then lastly, in order to be able to see your movie, I want you to hold down the Option key and double click. If you do that, then it opens up here in the project window. If you want to close one of the panels, you can just click on this little thing right here, pick Close Panel. There are some tabs in here which we don't need at the moment. Media Browser, I'm just going to close. Info, I don't need. Effects, I want to keep. Markers, we don't need today for this particular project. We're not using markers. You might like History. History actually shows you all of the different steps that you've done, and you can, when you want to undo something, you can actually see what we did and back up to it. And that's it for the first video. You have now made your project, you've imported in your footage, and we're going to now make a sequence. Go up to File, pick Save. Go on to the next video.